Hey guys, what's up? This is Al from Miss Android World here for droidshark.com with another Android app review for you guys of a $2 application called QwikList Voice. Now basically this application actually allows you to do what the title implies. Make quick lists and you can use your voice. Now this application is by Vika Shah, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but this application is actually pretty cool in a way. Don't really think it's worth $2, but let's take a look. Alright guys, so there we have it, the little check. It says QwikList Voice by Vika Shah. It has a 4 out of 5 star rating, so it's pretty good. You can see I haven't rated it anything. And the description is that it's a home app widget, make a list, send SMS, quick add to Google Calendar, all by speaking to your phone with Google Voice to text. Can quickly and easily create reminders, shopping lists, to-do, tasks with speech. See on my websites for instructions. As you can see, there's a version number, and we do indeed have 2 screenshots. Here's one of them, and here's another one, so 2 different sizes of the widget. So let's go ahead and open this application. As you can see, there we have it. It's called QwikList as the icon. Go ahead and launch it open, and here we have it. So you see here the shopping list. It comes default on here, and when you tap on it, I get to see butter, milk, and eggs. If I tap on it, I can actually uncheck it or check it. So when I check eggs, it goes to the bottom. When I check butter, that goes to the bottom. When I check milk, I'm completely done. And you can also see it very faintly. You might be able to see it or not. It actually crosses it out when you've actually done it, so that's cool. If I tap the plus button, I can add a new item. If I tap this button, I can actually speak it, voice actions. I can look at a whole bunch of different ways and different ways to speak it, but I'll cancel that. I can actually require, it actually uses barcode scanner if you'd like to scan barcodes to add specific products to your list, which is definitely quite cool. Here I can add it to my QwikList calendar, and you have to set in your email address, your password. It is indeed at Gmail, and I can put the entry in, and I can actually email myself. I can of course delete the list, or I can actually send it as an email. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much the UI, what it looks like when you're in here. When you tap menu, you can add a new item my voice, new item my barcode, clear completed, email list, and preferences. Pretty much every single thing we just saw up here, it's in the menu button. So we're gonna go ahead and go back, tap menu here, we can add a new list by voice, launch Google Tasks, or we can go into some preferences. So since I've already showed you all that, you see if I add a new list real quick, that's all it says, new list, and you can add it just like the shopping. New list by voice, so you can speak it, and if you had Google Tasks, you can launch that. But I'm going to go ahead and go into preferences. You see I can go to the about screen, and here we have it, the nice big about screen. We can scroll through. Launching back here, we can go to the item screen options. I can show the menu bar, item screen font size, item screen spacing, and item screen sort order. So quite a bit of customization there. You can turn in your SMS options, like responding to incoming SMS, vibrate with notifications, or sound with notifications. I personally don't like the notification system. We have the widget options. We can actually even customize the widget with the background color. As you can see, it comes default with blue, but I'll go gray. And widget list separator, as you see, it's a comma, semicolon, or a character return. So I'm just going to keep it at a comma. Launching back here, we can go up to the backup options. We can actually back up sent SMS or to Gcal. So that's definitely really nice to keep everything organized, especially if you get a new phone. You can have the email list separator, again, comma, semicolon, or the same thing, the carriage return. We can have voice confirm addition or barcode present matches, and that's basically if you want to use the barcode, if you wanted to show the matches or not. And with the voice, you want to confirm what you said. So again, nice little amount of customization there, and the application is very fast. You see when you go home, you can long press the home screen, go to widgets, and when you actually scroll down, you'll see QwikList Voice 1x1 and 2x2. So just to show you guys, there's the 2x2. And if I go ahead and go into widgets here, I'll show you guys the 1x1. So the 1x1, you basically just tap on it and you can speak. That's basically all that has to do. You can tap on the shopping list, but that'll just actually take you into the app. Down here, if you tap on the calendar, you can do the quick add to the calendar. You tap on an open space, it'll take you into the actual shopping list. If you tap right here on the arrow, it'll actually scroll you through your actual items. And if you tap the little voice right there, you'll actually be able to talk. So the bigger widget definitely has a lot more features for something that's not that much bigger. Again, I don't think this application is quite yet $2 yet, because there's a lot of applications like to-do lists, and if you have Android OS 2.1, you can already do voice to text, as you can see right there, and you can actually speak now. And it'll authorize it, and it'll say working, and says And it works, does indeed work pretty well. I have a custom keyboard on here. But that's QwikList. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this Android app review. Again, application not quite yet $2 yet. If anything, they shouldn't sell for any more than $1 just because there's a lot of to-do apps on the market that pretty much do the same thing, so this isn't really required for $2. The widget is definitely nice, but again, to-do list, you save your money and they're pretty much just as easy. Maybe about 5 to 10 seconds difference in saving your time. Well, thanks for watching. This is Al from It's Android's World, so make sure you guys check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/itsandroidsworld, and I'll see you guys on my next droidshark.com review.